up, guys? In today's video, we have a secret guest. He's in the bathroom right now. Yeah. Told him to be in there. He's going to come out around like a minute. So, yeah. We're having, I know I haven't posted in like a month. My mom kind of took away my YouTube for like a year. So, I'll still be posting. It's just, I might post every month. It might be monthly for until 2025. But then I'll get it back and I'll be posting once weekly. And I'll do some shorts. I haven't done shorts in a while. 4 years. But, yeah. Should I bring out the new guest now? Jesse! Yeah.
Hello! I am so happy to be here on Jake's YouTube! And I have a special hat with me today for this special celebration. And now, should we introduce the family? Or it's a secret?
Secret.
I did not say that. We're gonna edit that out.
Yeah.
When it's time.
Yeah.
Okay. What did I miss so far?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Okay, you introduced the scene and everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we are here in Arizona. Seems like Jake is based in Chucky.
Yeah.
But we're here in Arizona, so it's a special video.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go viral.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay. Well, one of my videos has 2.5.
0.5,000?
Yeah.
This one's gonna have 2.6 thousand.
Yeah.
That's right. You heard it here first.
Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button.
Like, subscribe, comment, woo!
Share
too. Don't forget to
Yep.
share with your friends. YouTube is social.
Yeah.
There we go. Do it up. High five.
Woo.
That's how we do it around town.
Yeah, it's kind of windy too.
It is a little windy. There might be a ghost in here,
Yeah.
but we'll find out later.
Yeah.